morning. That actually reminds me of the Flintstone that we have and that we didn't put them in yet. Beauty. So we do have a little bit of a setback with our current editing suite. I've created that video of gore and it's quite long and heavy on the edits, and the InShot editing suite is just not exporting it. I pressed the export button and then it's stuck at 0%, so I need to figure that out. But maybe let's first have some breakfast. Mate, there's a big door open for you. Just turn right. Cross me. What are you doing? So I was happy that it started exporting, but it's stuck at 10%. I have no idea what to do. I'm trying for 5 hours now to export this video, and I've done some research online and no one can really figure out what the export problem is. So my idea now is to just screen record while I'm playing this. And then let's hope that I don't lose any footage. This might have worked. We are 4%, 5%, and going up. Alright, so vlog 7 is now uploading and I just need to swim, and I think it's just down here and then to the left. An interesting looking house. But I think I'm already on the wrong path. I'm going up and the river should be down usually, shouldn't it? So maybe it's to the right. I don't know. Primary school. Doesn't really look like a river to me. Oh boy. I left my phone in the van for the video to upload. And I thought, okay, it's just down the road, and then turn left. And it was, but I went the wrong way on the road. So I messed up in the exactly opposite direction. But I asked a local lady, and she dropped me off exactly here at the Lumsden campground, and apparently this gravel road leads to the river, so let's see if that works, and let's hope that I can get back. That actually does feel like Hansel and Gretel. The parents dropped me off somewhere in the woods and then, well, in this case just drive off. This is a good sign. Oh, beautiful. How you going? Oh. Ukraine and New Zealand. Flashbacks to vlog number 7 where we had the fun with the flags. What are you doing there, mate? These are the two locomotives. So what I didn't realize is that the climbing and hiking action the last couple of days ruined my new pair of pants. So here on the back side there's a hole already. So plan is to try to stitch that up somehow and hope that it doesn't grow bigger. It's probably far from perfect, but I'm quite happy. So today's recipe includes bread, coconut oil, pesto and grated cheese, and it is a cheese sandwich. Pretty straightforward. We need slices of bread, traditionally rye bread, but we don't have that. Then we need to open that jar. And spread that onto our bread. And we put some pesto on there. The other side. Then use our cheese grater. I think you can guess the rest. Weather today was very cloudy all day, like that. Maybe a bit of rain. It drizzled. Then I cut myself twice with that pink knife. Once here and once here. There's blood all over my shirt. The plan now is to just sit here, get some editing done, and drink some tea. It is kind of nice to just listen to the sound of the raindrops. But it is not as nice as the clear sky that we had last night. Anyway, I will just lay down, enjoy a little bit more and then sleep.